I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Friday, and these are your announcements. Tuesday, the counselors will host a coffee with counselors from 8 to 10 in the first floor office for parents who have questions regarding scheduling. And anyone wanting to try out for baseball, it's not too late. Please see Coach Maddox in room 305 to sign the tryout sheet. You can purchase your yearbook for $65 today before the price goes up. If you want to do that, go to jostensyearbooks.com to purchase. Prom money for seniors and juniors is due no later than Friday, March 30th, and prom is Saturday, April 28th at the Texas Motor Speedway. More information is to come. Please see Ms. Smith in the counseling office if you have any questions. Anyone interested in driver's ed, the classroom or driving part, see Coach Reeves. And DHS seniors who plan to attend a 4-year university in the fall, if you're interested in applying for the AVID Be the Change Scholarship, pick up an application in Ms. Russell's room or the first floor office. Applications are due Friday, April 6th. And now for sports with Crazy Colin.
And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon dots.
Girls basketball at Sanger. Varsity plays at 6:15, and guys basketball at Sanger. Varsity plays at 8. And then we got girls soccer against Diamond Hill Jarvis here. They play at 5, and then the boys soccer at the Kinderlow tournament. Then we got tennis against Azle here. It's a duel at 4.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, obstacles can't stop you. Problems can't stop you. And most importantly, other people can't stop you. Only you can stop you. Don't be your own worst enemy. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Go basketball, go soccer, go tennis. Oh.
Now for the question of the week.
Question of the week was, who do you think's going to win the MVP for offense and defense in the Pro Bowl this weekend? We got Arnold Schwarzenegger. Decatur football team, all right. A donut, Jurassic Park. Johnny Manziel. Troy Aikman. That's the question of the week.
Have a great day.